we are preparing double ka meetha. Now bread, these are almond and cashew pieces grated, and we have to take bread, slit, and we have made a small cubes of the bread. And now for preparation we need oil in a pan, and we have to deep fry the bread pieces. These bread pieces turn brown immediately, so we have to be very quick and remove them. And bread really absorbs a lot of oil. Now I'm removing the bread and keeping it aside. In the same pan I have added ghee, cashew and almond. I'll fry it for 1 minute and keep it aside. And these are the bread which I have fried in the oil. Now in the same pan I have took some sugar, added some water, and I'll mix it well to make the sugar syrup. I have to boil milk in one pan, and the sugar is still dissolving. I'll add some cardamom powder for the sugar syrup. Mix it well. This gives a really good taste. And then we are adding the boiled milk. It has to sit for 5 minutes. Just check how the taste is. And then we are going to add the bread pieces. So when the bread is added, after some time it gets split very easily. So we have to not mix it. Just keep in the pan in the sim for 10 minutes, and double ka meetha is ready.